show you some raptor features. All raptors have sharp talons because they catch and kill with their feet. Sharp pointy beaks to tear meat. Large eyes, particularly to the owls, to see so well at night, much better than we can. Round facial discs that direct sound to their ears. Their ears are holes right behind their facial discs. Their ears are asymmetrical. That sort of allows 3D hearing. They can kind of triangulate and figure out where the prey is. Gizmo, the red face. They come in 2 colors. They are our midwest owl in Georgia. Aren't they cute? These guys, they're so little, they've got to worry about the other birds of prey. They rely on camouflage to keep them safe. You can see how they would blend in with the bark of a tree. Okay, guys. Thank you. He's brand new and he's a very young bird. They're both boys. This is our largest owl in Georgia, our most powerful hunter. He can squeeze for 350 pounds per square inch.
Very different body shape than the other owls that you've seen so far. He's got a heart-shaped face instead of a round facial disc because he's got a very long beak. Sometimes they call it a banana beak. It's a real long beak. So it stretches the profile of his face out. And he's got the same kind of facial disc that channels sound to his ear. His ears are right there along that kind of dark edge around the heart. And they can actually change the angle of the feathers on their face to steer that sound as the other owls have. He hunts on the wing. Unlike the other owls who are ambush hunters, they will pick a spot. It's like deer hunting, deer stand versus deer hunting with dogs or on foot. He travels around much like a hawk does, and so a lot of his body construction is a lot like a hawk's. Soar. See how long his wings are relative to his body, and it actually extend down beyond his body. His body ends somewhere right here. Ladies and gentlemen, Fabian. So we have, what do you want to call this bird besides a vulture? Buzzard, yeah. But he's not a buzzard. There are buzzards, but we don't have buzzards in North America. Buzzards are actually hawks. You find what are called common buzzards in Europe, Asia, and Africa. They look like our original hawks. Buzzards are true raptors. Yep. Buzzards are true raptors. They have short beaks, powerful talons. They eat live prey. This is a vulture. Vultures are scavengers. Of course, they don't kill their prey. They find their prey that's already dead.
I'm not kidding, it's a real windy sound. So they play the sound of a red-tailed hawk. Very common here in Georgia, as well as the red shoulder hawk, broadwing hawk. Some of our come in your lap in a minute.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow. One of the fastest animals on the planet. This bird hunts other birds. He is a member of the Falconical group. completing the peregrine is they find their target flying around. They fly above it a good distance. When they spot it, they tuck their wings into their sides and they begin to fall like a rock out of the sky.